dampot o first one who can pick up whatever things that I'm going to say, okay?
Okay.
Walang pikon na, Sania.
Okay.
Swear that you're going not.
What should I say?
I promise not to be pikon.
Kuya will not share the chocolate.
Okay, the premyo, ang price is Kit Kat. Okay?
Kuya will not share.
If, mag-share siya. If he still wants to share. Okay? Ikaw, mag-share ka pag ikaw nanalo? Okay. Just to make sure walang pikon. Okay? Kung sino man manalo, congratulate yung nanalo. Okay? Okay, let's start. Okay, be ready.
I'm nervous.
1, 2, 3. Pick up the tang. Okay, 1. Put it on the other side.
No.
1 for Sultan. Pick up eggnog. Oh, Zia first.
Yay.
Pick up pito. Okay, pick up. Ay, wag na pikon. Pick up patatas. Pick up. Okay, wait. The happy peanut. Okay. Ramen. Oh, there's no ramen. That's not ramen. That's a spices for ramen. Pick up toothpaste. Oh, wala. Pick up ponytail.
No, where's the onion?
How many are yours? 3 si Sultan, 3 si Sia. Okay. Pick up. Sagmi coffee. Pick up. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Onion! Onion!
Alam mo, onion ko.
Lagay sa gitna na. Okay, gitna na pa lahat. Pati yung tea, sa gitna na. Hindi, biwalay mo sa'yo, Sultan. Okay. Tissue, yeah. Pick up spices ramen. Pick up. Okay, ready. Pick up tissue. Oh, Sania.
Wait.
How many are you na, Sania?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
5.
Pick up tea.
No.
Okay. Pick up umbrella. Oop.
No, that's an umbrella.
Pick up wallet. Oop. Pick up garlic. Isa na lang. The clip. Okay, Kit Kat. The price is the Kit Kat. Okay. Pick up the 1, 2, 3. Go! The clip. The winner is Sania. Congratulations, Sania, for being sport and Sultan.